On June 6, the Japan Meteorological Agency announced that the Kanto Koshin region is believed to have entered the rainy season. The rainy season is expected to last until mid-July. The Japanese rainy season is best known for hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are the symbol of Japan's rainy season. During this season, many Japanese go to gardens at the temples to enjoy viewing hydrangeas. This picture shows a temple in Kamakura, which is famous for hydrangea viewing. How about appreciating beautiful hydrangea at this time for the year? This is Japan News.